2017 Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter. What do they call it? V-Force, isn't it? I-Force. I-Force 5.7 liter. Really beautiful truck. He's surprising his dad with a muffler delete. So you guys wish him a happy birthday for us. He's got his dad's birthday's coming up. So what we got done on it for him? Got 4 converters, 2 here, 2 here. Then we did a muffler delete right there. As you guys can see, added a Y pipe, left the original tailpipe out the back into a 4-inch black tip. There's the muffler that we cut off. The Toyotas come with a dual-in single-out muffler, so make sure you guys order the correct muffler for it, or do a Y pipe setup when you need to do it. And then he put a 4-inch tip on it right there, a black one, earlier in the year. It looks good, matches the whole look of the truck. Really nice truck, really clean, nice lift kit. So like always guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. There's a muffler delete. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Much better. Oh yeah. Toyota Tundra. Sound decibels. Bro, it hit 112. That's crazy. Just with a muffler delete. That's awesome. Go ahead and back it up. Toyota Tundra. Tundra! I don't know what they're doing, but they're making funny noises. Dentist's office. And it's quiet at idle too.